Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you FurLife Collar Natural Flea and Thick Pet Collar review. So you might be wondering what is FurLife Collar that you may be hearing online. So FurLife here is a flea and thick collar for dogs and cats, positioned as a natural alternative to chemical-based pest prevention. Now, rather than a separate slide-on piece, the active ingredients are embedded directly into the collar material using what the brand calls smart release technology, gradually releasing a blend of natural essential oils over time. Now, listed ingredients include citronella oil, cedarwood oil, rosemary oil, geranium oil, and cinnamon oil, and some versions also list lemongrass and peppermint oil. Now, the brand states these oils work by masking the scents that attract fleas and ticks and creating a repellent barrier around the pet. And it's marketed as suited for puppies and kittens for 8 weeks old and up across all breeds and sizes. Now, that's according to them. Now, how to exactly start using this specific collar here? Now, we want to go and just place the collar loosely around the pet's neck, leaving about 2 fingers of space or 1 to 2 inches for comfort, and then trim off any excess length. Now, for pets new to flea and thick collars, the brand recommends starting with short wear periods on the first day and gradually building up to continuous wear within 24 hours. Now, for full effectiveness here, the collar should be worn continuously according to them, and since the active ingredients need to distribute through the pet's fur over time, you want to just remove the collar before bathing or swimming here and reapply once the pet is completely dry. Now, in this case, it is also recommended to wash hands after handling here. So one collar is listed as providing up to 8 months of protection. A separate pendant version is listed for up to 12 months. If skin irritation, redness, or itching occurs, the brand directs removing the collar immediately and consulting a veterinarian. Now, the collar isn't a toy and should be kept out of reach of children and used during and in this case used during pregnancy, nursing, or under 8 weeks of age should be discussed with a vet first. Now, as for the pricing, the collar is commonly listed at around $29.99 for a single unit, with bundle pricing available for 2 or 3 collars, sold through official FurLife site as well as retailers like Amazon and Chewy, where multi-buy promotions such as get 4 for the price of 3 are also common. Now, the official site states a 30-day money-back guarantee, but that's about it. So for this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.